Welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the top 5 best security cameras on Amazon for 2025. If you want a reliable and subscription-free home security system with crystal clear video, solar charging, and advanced features like human tracking, AI detection, and expandable storage, this list has everything you need. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Eufy Security eufyCam S330 eufyCam 3 4K Solar Security Camera Kit. This is a 4-camera system that records in full 4K, comes with integrated solar panels, expandable local storage, and advanced face recognition AI. It includes built-in spotlights and requires no monthly subscription. The S330 stands out for its incredible image clarity and completely wireless setup. The built-in solar panels keep the cameras charged indefinitely under normal sunlight. The AI face recognition is fast and accurate, and the expandable storage means you never rely on cloud fees. For homeowners who want a premium, long-lasting system, this is one of the best overall packages. Pros: true 4K ultra-clear video, solar charging for continuous power, local expandable storage with no fees, smart AI face recognition, strong spotlight and night vision. Cons: higher price than most systems, requires the included home base for full features. Number 2. Aosu Wireless Outdoor Security Camera 6-Camera Solar Kit. This kit includes 6 5-megapixel cameras, a home base with 32 GB built-in memory, upgradable to 1 TB, 360-degree pan and tilt capability, and AI auto human tracking. This system is ideal for large homes. The 360-degree viewing angle ensures there are no blind spots, and the solar panels help maintain consistent power. Auto tracking is smooth, and the local storage option makes it cost-effective. It's a great balance of features, coverage, and ease of installation. Pros: full 360-degree pan and tilt, large 6-camera package, solar-powered for long-term use, no subscription required, accurate human tracking. Cons: larger setup time due to more cameras, requires strong Wi-Fi for smooth operation. Number 3. Aosu 4-Camera Solar Security System 2K Pan and Tilt. This is a 4-camera system with 2K recording, solar power, 360-degree pan and tilt, auto tracking, dual-band Wi-Fi support, and color night vision. This system provides excellent clarity and a flexible range of viewing angles. The dual-band Wi-Fi improves connection stability, and the color night vision is impressive for identifying details in low light. It's perfect for mid-size homes looking for reliable, wireless protection. Pros: 2K video with color night vision, smooth 360-degree pan and tilt, solar-powered, dual-band Wi-Fi support, auto tracking feature. Cons: night vision quality depends on nearby light. Pan and tilt motion can drain battery in very active areas. Number 4. Aosu Solar Security Cameras 4-Camera Kit with 2K Night Vision. This setup includes 4 solar-powered cameras with 2K clarity, color night vision, quick 2-minute installation, and local storage. Works on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Installation is incredibly fast, making this one of the easiest DIY home security systems. The batteries stay charged with sunlight, and the 2K detail is more than enough for most homeowners. If you want a simple, clean, subscription-free setup, this is a solid pick. Pros: very easy installation, 2K color night vision, strong battery plus solar charging, local storage included, works on both Wi-Fi bands. Cons: no 360-degree pan and tilt, cameras are fixed position. Number 5. Wireless Outdoor Home Security System 4-Camera 2K PTZ Kit. This 4-camera system includes solar power, 360-degree PTZ rotation, 2K color night vision, auto tracking, and a full year of battery life. This is an excellent budget-friendly option that still includes powerful features like PTZ rotation and auto tracking. The long battery life and solar design reduce maintenance. It's a great affordable choice for homeowners who want advanced functions without extra fees. Pros: 360-degree PTZ coverage, solar-powered with long battery life, 2K color night vision, auto human tracking. Cons: build quality is lighter than higher-end brands. 2K video is not as sharp as 4K systems.
All 5 of these security camera systems offer strong performance, easy installation, and 0 subscription fees. If you want the best overall quality and AI performance, the eufyCam S330 is the top pick. For larger homes requiring full coverage, the Aosu 6 camera system is a great value. Choose the one that fits your coverage needs, your video quality preference, and your budget.